Based on the information above, which of the following samples will undergo the smallest temperature change? If each sample absorbs the same amount of heat, you say that Q is equal to mc delta T. So need to find which of the following undergoes the same temperature change. So we are looking for delta T. Delta T is equal to Q over mc. So for the first one, A and B and C and D, the amount of heat is the same for all. The Q is the same for all, so just cancel Q for all of them. So equal to 1 over mc in all cases, 1 over mc, 1 over mc. 1 over mc for sample of calcium carbonate. The mass is the same. Is the mass the same? No, the mass here is 1 gram of calcium carbonate equal to 1 over the 1 multiplied by the calcium carbonate 0.83, so that's equal to 0.83. And the second one, P is equal to 2 grams multiplied by chromium, which is 0.45, that's equal to 9, 0.9. The second one is 1 over, what is the grams of the C? 2 multiplied by zinc, which is 0.39, so 2 multiplied by 0.39, that's almost equal to 0.78. And 1 over 6 grams multiplied by 0.13, that's equal to 0.78 also. So this is 1 over. So the smallest one of them is this one, 1 over 0.9.